I use that. I sit in here and it actually looks like I'm hot boxing a car. Morning.
Yep,
1972 Nova, almost complete full interior, replacing the carpet, the headliner, the sail door panels, also the front door panels, and the armrests, the dome light, the sun visors, and pretty much clean it all up, make it look new for the customer. We do everything from upholstery, custom upholstery, to custom one-off builds, custom fabrication, custom engine work and transmission work. So say you want a Coyote in your 74 Challenger.
What is this? Because this is very custom.
Oh, it's just an Eleanor.
With the 428 Cobra Jet 5-speed manual, full exterior body kit.
Typical, easy work.
Right.
Gone to 60 seconds, tell you what. If you give me the key. Right now, I steam the new carpet. Usually they say to sit it out for about a couple days, let it air out, but I don't got time to wait. So, new carpet, we're gonna start with the rear. What I usually do, I fold it in half and mark center. Center so we can go in the center of the hump in the car. And I do this to the front carpet and the rear carpet if it's a two-piece.
Sometimes they come as just one big piece.
Yep.
Do you ever have to cut them when they come as a one piece?
Usually no, they're pretty good at forming it and usually don't have to cut it. Most of your muscle cars they usually have two pieces, but for like your trucks, it's usually one big piece.
So this is more of a standard upholstery. I know we do custom upholstery as well.
This would be more of your standard. For example, that 70 Dodge Dart behind you guys. The guy wanted a more thicker plush, more of a cushion for the carpet versus your factory carpet.
Yep, he did.
So we went out and he wanted to put house carpet in there.
It is house carpet. Man, I've never done any upholstery, so do you spend a long time stitching?
For example, this is just a regular kit that we bought from Speedway. What it normally consists of, all you got to do is put your bows from your old headliner into your new headliner, put it in there, steam it up, stretch it out, and glue it. For example, these carpets usually come a little bigger than how they're supposed to fit. Where I mark center, right there. I usually like putting my weight on it. Go to the back, find center again, find where it's gonna fit good.
You wrestling a cowboy.
Sometimes it feels like that. Pre-fit carpets, what they do from factory, they get a floor pan, they make their own mold, they put the carpet piece in there, they heat it up really hot, and it compresses, and it pretty much molds the carpet to whatever car you want it to.
And then what about this back area? Is this just where the seat goes so it doesn't get carpet?
So from here, where these go, from here to there is your bottom seat, and they clip into here, and you shove it in. Sometimes it's hard to shove in, but your backrest goes here with these two bolts and bolt in.
So there's no need to put carpet down, or you don't usually put carpet down?
Usually from factory, they have what's called like jute, factory jute, and then they have a pad on the back of it.
Right.
For heat absorption and sound deadening. But some people take that out because mice love jute. So we see how much extra we have here?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna fit the front too, and then I'm gonna come back, cut all of it, make it form nice.
And so starting in the center and working away from the center outward is the best way to stay in alignment?
Correct.
So to say?
So since I marked center, I'm gonna put it in the center of the hump in the floor.
Yep.
And then center, knees, here, and then I'm gonna start on this side. Make sure to just tuck it.
How long did it take for you to feel really confident to do a job like this?
I kind of just got roped into it. Went ahead and I put the headliner in, got that all nice and clean. In the meantime, put the quarter panels in,
Yep.
here and here. Put the back seat and bottom seat, and the carpet's all in.
Nice.
So you have a chrome, what's called a sill plate. See these screw holes here?
Okay.
The sill plate will sit here and tie into this piece, Nice and chrome for you.
The headliner, how do you stretch it all out like that? And not
I got what's called a Jiffy steamer.
one of them fellas.
Yep, nice big ones. I use that. I sit in here and it actually looks like I'm hot boxing a car, but you just sit in here, you steam up the headliner real good, and what that does to the vinyl when you steam it up, and what it does, it makes it so it can stretch a lot better. So when you put your headliner in, after you get your bows in with your headliner, you want to stretch it forward and backwards first with clamps, get in the right spot, and then you want to make sure from side to side it's center.
How do you do that?
So before, like I did the carpet, when I folded in half and marked center, you want to do the same with this. You want to fold it from side to side in half to mark the front and back centers. And then on the car, there'll be little notches. Like your mirror goes here, that's center. And there's a little notch actually in there that you can't see. So then you just put it center to center when you stretch it. Then from here, you want to make sure you have enough overhang on either side that it is center as well. Glue it with contact adhesive with a spray gun, 20 bucks from Harbor Freight. Wait till the glue dries up and you just stretch it real good. Put a bunch of these tiny clamps on there.
Ooh.
Like after tacky.
After tacky.
Yep.
After tacky, okay.
Oh yeah.
What's with the plastic?
That is your vapor barrier. Your car's out in rain, you actually get moisture through these here, and moisture gets inside your car. While inside here, once the moisture gets in here and down in there, the moisture could seep into the inside of your car, ruin your interior. All right, update number 356 update. We got the sill plates in here and here, nice and smooth. We got the wraparound moldings here, getting the quarter panels in, getting the door, window, crank. After that, we can put the back seats in. And cut! We just got done putting in the rear seats, the quarter panels, the headliner, dome light, sun visors, mirror, and sail panel. So when you put in a seat, you're gonna be very careful not to chip up the paint. So just go nice and slow. Think this is the way it goes?
Probably not.
Probably not. So you're gonna put it where you think it goes. Lucky for me, I already punched out all the holes right here and 2 more. I already punched them out when I put the carpet in, so that's a plus. So we're gonna line up where I can find my holes, get the correct bolts. It's gonna be kind of tight in there. You're gonna find the hole, put it in there. To lock it in place, put the nuts on there kind of loosely. Once you got all the bolts in, go ahead and tighten it up. Spring this back, be ready to roll. Time for the other seat. All we gotta do next, tighten the bolts down, vacuumer. Welcome back to Muscle Car Concepts and Restoration. Here we got a Nova SS, 1972. I dropped it off, I'd say Tuesday. He dropped it off Tuesday. And he came in to do carpet, door panels, quarter panels, and headliner, replaced the dome light, sun visors. Within the door panels, he wanted the SS emblem on there. He actually wanted it stitched, but it was actually kind of cheaper to do a 1970 SS Chevelle badge. Kind of something custom. I don't know if they did it from factory, but we went ahead and done it. Customer's supposed to pick it up tomorrow. I think he's gonna love it. So we did all this work, we got it done, detailed it up a little bit for the customer, and I think it looks amazing. Tighten the bolts down, vacuumer. Time for the customer to come put a big smile on my face. That sounded wrong. Rewind. I should do a face too, like rewind. Hey guys. You better not include that on something. Or like Ultimate Frisbee. Ever played that?